Thanks so much for visiting our Grade 7 gallery and welcome. You'll see that this is the home page, just like the other gallery, and it's exactly the same, just a different building. So, once again, if you click the full screen on the left there to enter your gallery so you can see it as if you were in there, then just click the feet to start moving. Just a reminder, left arrow turns you around so that you can see all your artwork here. The up arrow moves you forward. The down is back. The right arrow rotates you back around the other way. You can also use W to go forward, A to go left, D for right, and S to go back. So please take some time and have a look around our galleries. Make sure you walk around the boxes. Don't forget you can click on the images to hear students speak about their art. And you can also venture outside. Just click outside the doors and they will open for you. You will see we have a sculpture area, which I will be adding to in the next couple of days. And this will celebrate the sculpture that my students are creating right now. And it's pretty amazing. So you definitely want to come back and see that. And as you go through to the other side, you can see that it's a media center. And that is where we have our QR codes and our videos. Just a reminder, click the A to go left, D to go right. And for our videos, just click the button and it will play right in the gallery, which I love. So you can enjoy that. And these videos celebrate the process. You can go full screen, and of course, you can exit when you want to. So please scan the codes, listen to the students' voices, enjoy the celebration movies. This is where you get to see all the artwork. So in the gallery, these students chose what they wanted to showcase, but the QR codes and the videos will show you all the artwork created this year. So enjoy. There is one other little tip. If you get stuck in a wall or can't move, it has happened to me before, just click the bottom left there. There's actually a map. If you click there, that's going to move you to the spot where you clicked to. So that is actually another way that you can move around. It goes quite fast though. So I like doing that as a starting point and then using my arrow keys. You just click back on the floor and use your arrow keys again to navigate around the gallery. But as you can see, there are some gorgeous artworks to have a look at. And of course, listen to the students speak about their art. If they have an audio, it will play automatically. Remember, only one artwork per student has an audio, not all of them. But every artwork does tell you who created it when you click on it. So enjoy. To get out of this gallery, just click the minimize button and there we go. And just exit.